I'm telling about how to get my thighs removed.
Your thighs removed?
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna remove
I just got my eyebrows tattooed.
What?
I just got my eyebrows tattooed.
Oh, that looks very nice.
I know.
It does. Nice, I should try that.
So how do you get your thighs removed?
Yeah, just not
see.
all of it, I think.
Only the stubborn fat.
So this is going to be the whole area that's going to be treated.
The fat that just do not want to go away.
Is right there.
Det er ret skørt, men jeg håber fandme, det virker, fordi det er virkelig irriterende, at jeg bare har trænet i så lang tid. Og dyrker så meget yoga og spiser sundt. Og ligegyldigt hvad jeg gør, så har jeg bare stadigvæk tykke inderlov, som glider mod hinanden, når jeg får eksempler, hvad vi er. Væk med dem.
So this is not for overall weight loss. This is for that subcutaneous surface fat, that squishy fat. With diet and exercise, you can't shake, and this is just that added push.
We're just there.
This is Dr. Grant. He's the guy that's going to push me and my thighs in the way that we want to go.
So I need to look at your inner thighs, okay? It's a small area, and it fits the bulge in your leg. And the fat will be sucked inside, and it'll be made cold for 1 hour. And the fat cells don't like the cold, but the skin is fine. So the fat goes through a process called apoptosis, which is a way the cells die.
Look at this one.
What? How many treatments?
2 treatments.
2?
Mm-hmm.
Jesus Christ. So where does the fat go?
The lymphatic system absorbs the dead fat cells, and you eliminate them naturally. Okay? It's the same way as if you ate back.
Can you see it in your...
No. No, it's too small amount. You can't see it.
It's not like, whoa, there goes my thighs.
No, it's not quite that fast. It happens slowly, a little bit each day. So Anne and Paulette are going to mark you and hook you up, right?
Yes.
And but first you're going to shoot your pictures before you mark.
Okay.
Before and after pictures. Whoa, this is seriously working. And I hope it's going to work for me as well.
Det er den her maskine, det foregår med. Og jeg skal simpelthen frossen fedtceller væk, så det simpelthen dør.
So here we go. My very first CoolSculpting treatment is getting marked up.
X-ray there. This is just a skin protector.
The skin is protected carefully, so only the fat cells die.
So this is just the liner. So it's just kind of, it's like a little barrier for the applicator. So it's not on the direct skin.
This is the brand new Cool Smooth applicator.
Mm-hmm.
And this is for the lateral thighs, the saddlebags.
So since this one is made for the Cool Smooth, it's made for the lateral thighs, we are going to make sure we are just going to tighten this since it doesn't have a suction. And it's starting.
Så er jeg i gang med at få frosset mit fedt væk. Det er ret spændende at se, hvordan det skal komme til at gå. Jeg kan mærke, at det er koldt, men det er ikke sådan, det gør ikke ondt eller noget. Det værste ved det hele er bare, at jeg skal ligge her i 2 timer, men det er jo så langt, som man normalt plejer at bruge på workouts. Så er jeg færdig med første lår. Det kan ses her. Totalt rødt. Og det er her også helt koldt. Men ellers det gør ikke ondt.
This is causing the frozen fat cells to actually spread out to surrounding live fat cells, and it's going to kill more.
Så glæder jeg mig bare til at... Altså, ja, det er ikke blevet mindre endnu i hvert fald. Men der går også noget 2-3 måneder før, at det sådan rigtig er væk fedtet. Så det glæder jeg mig rigtig meget til.
Right now I'm waiting for the results, so stay tuned for the final outcome of my very first CoolSculpting.